Ministry of Health has made some changes to the Health Professions Act, broadening the responsibilities of pharmacists. Pharmacists will now be able to renew a prescription without always needing a doctor's appointment, and pharmacists also now have the ability to change a dosage.
This is what most people routinely envision when they think of pharmacists. The minder of the medication. But that's all changed as of January 1st. Pharmacists can now renew prescriptions for up to 6 months without the visit to the doctor, but only for patients who have been on the same medication for at least 6 months and their condition is stable.
Of course, this is for individuals that have a relationship, a long-term relationship with their pharmacist, because they need to be aware of their medical conditions as well as their medication history.
People like diabetics have to come and see us routinely. But a diabetic or a hypertensive or a hypothyroid patient running out of pills, going to the pharmacist, I don't personally have any trouble with that.
Another change allows pharmacists to adapt prescriptions, either change a dosage or even substitute a drug where appropriate.
The pharmacists are the medication experts, so as far as it's not about errors, it's more about changing or adapting the prescription to reflect what's going to be better for their health outcomes. That can be used in a small number of circumstances. And you have to remember this is all in collaboration with other healthcare professionals, the physicians and the patient and the pharmacist all being involved in the care for the individual.
They are a huge resource for physicians. But I think if a community pharmacist was going to change a dose in one of the cases I was managing, I would expect a phone call to discuss the issue.
Patients who are looking for a renewal of their prescription need to talk with the pharmacist who will consider each case on an individual basis. Cheryl Jan, CKPG News.